Yep. We've been friends for nearly 15 years na. Meron kaming group, kasi pinakilala ko ni Ate Jen kay Cha, then si Cha kay Ate Arns. Meron kaming group, 5 kami, and we called it friendship. So friendship talaga, and everyone would always ask, taga-Dubai ka din? Sabi ko, hindi, sana para mas matagal tayong nagkakilala, diba? Thank you kasi sinama niyo ako sa group niyo and talagang love talaga yung pinakita niyo sa akin sa kay Alex. Kaya when I think about our friendship, I'm reminded of how lucky I am to have someone like you in my life. You always had the perfect words, biggest heart, and the most genuine soul. We collected so many memories over the years. Kahit nga pumunta na kami ng Philippines and we stayed there for almost 3 years, talagang lagi ka pa rin kumusta mo? Say, congrats mo! Say, nakuha niyo si Rai, ganyan. And parang laging nandyan ka talaga. Kaya I can't wait for all the moments still ahead of us. You deserve every bit of sweetness you bring into the world. And I hope this year gives you nothing less. Happy birthday and thanks for being you.